Hello ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chipo. So it's still your girl again, Blessing. So guys, in today's episode I'm going to be discussing a body lotion, right? I'm going to be reviewing the body lotion, as you must have seen on the caption. Now I know most people are looking for body lotions that would, moisturize your skin, give you this bright glassy look and still be affordable. That is how to pick when you're trying to buy a body lotion. Don't just buy it because you want to get just one thing. Look for the one that will give you at least minimum of 3 benefits, right? Whenever you're buying any skincare product, look for the one that has multiple benefits, not just a single benefit. Don't just go and buy a body lotion that maybe address just acne and that's it. Maybe it doesn't moisturize, then you go and get another one that would shock up the moisturizing, or another one that will act as humectant and all that. No, get something that has beautiful ingredients and still affordable, and that is the focus of today's video. So I'll be reviewing just one product that has numerous benefits and maybe few disadvantages. I'll be reviewing this product, the UBAG Simple Body Lotion. Yes, now this product has 3 variants. It has one that is in pink bottle, it has the other one that is in orange bottle, and then finally the one in the milk bottle. Now the first one is the one in the cream bottle, which is the first one I'll be reviewing. That is the Simple Skin Pampering Lightening Body Milk. So guys, this one is also known as the Fairness. Now let me read out what the manufacturer claims this would do for you, right? This one can give you a shade or 2 so it can tone your skin. It's an active skin lightening pampering body milk with natural, rich and healthy ingredients. So the ingredients in it include coconut oil, it has soybean oil, it has plant-based glycerin, and it's known to soothe and calm the skin, and it is for dry and sensitive skin, right? That is what it claims, and it has SPF 50 and it's hydroquinone free. Now this is a 450 ml pump bottle, and this natural fairness claims to hydrate dry skin, it promotes your skin elasticity and soothes sensitive skin and smoothing skin and prevents acne. Now this particular one, guys, the key ingredients in it is the coconut oil and the lanolin. Now coconut oil, we know is a soothing oil and also acts as an anti-inflammatory oil. So guys, this particular product is more like a brightening product, right? It hydrates a lot because it has glycerin, it has lanolin, and then it's like a body milk. And the fact that it has SPF 50 is also cool because it will help to clear all those sunburn and free radicals from the UV and the UVB. So this Simple is not from the producers of Simple. This is from another brand entirely. It is not the people that produce your regular Simple that produce this. This is a product that is formulated by another manufacturer, which I will be telling us the name of the manufacturer at the end of the video. Now moving on to the second one is this one in the orange bottle. That one is the Simple Vitamin C Whitening Body Milk. You see, that other one is Fairness, the natural body milk, while this one is the lightening body milk with vitamin C. Now this one, the key ingredient is vitamin C and carrot oil, and we know that vitamin C is a brightening ingredient, while carrot oil is also a brightening ingredient, which can also lead to skin lightening, right? Now this one also promised to hydrate your skin because it has a lot of glycerin in it and promotes skin glow. It also reduces sunburn, so if you're somebody who has sunburn, sun damage, this will work for you. It smoothens the skin, which I agree because of the carrot oil, and then it acts as an antioxidant, which is your vitamin C. So this one can give you up to a shade or 2. So if you want to lighten and you just want to lighten naturally, you can go for this one. That other one is for people who are not looking at lightening or taking their tone to 2 or 3 shades. They just want to maintain their skin tone, or they just want something that will glow their skin and not bleach it. That is the work of the first one, but the first one will not tone your skin. Now moving on to the third one, I don't want this video to be very long, I just want it to be very short, is the last one, which is in the pink bottle, right? This one is the Simple Pro Whitening Milk, right, with niacinamide and collagen. This one also has SPF 50 and is also a 450 ml bottle. This one has collagen and plenty of niacinamide. This one can give you 2 to 3 shade whitening. This is the strongest of them all, and that's why it's called Pro Whitening. So the first one is just the natural glow milk, the second one is the whitening, and this is the Pro Whitening. That means this one is professional whitening. This one will give you, is even written there, it will give you 2 to 3 shades of skin tone, right? And it can whiten you up to that level. It lightens that spot. It controls varicose vein. Now varicose veins are those green veins, that all those thick veins that just come out maybe due to skin reaction, or some people naturally have it. So this product claims to clear those varicose vein. Now it can control melasma, but I don't want to believe that. But I don't know if you've used it and it has controlled melasma. Please let us know. I guess it might only control mild melasma, not chronic melasma, right? Because it doesn't have the ingredient that can do that from what I see here. Now it controls keratosis. According to the manufacturer, this will control keratosis and also wrinkle and acne. So guys, looking at the 3 products, we could see that the very first one is for people that maybe just want to brighten their skin, or ebony or chocolate or dark skin. I would recommend that one. Then if you're already light skin and you just want to glow your skin, brighten it and make it pop, I'll say stick to the fairness, which is the second one. And if you're also allergic to carrot oil, I'll say don't use it. Maybe you use this last one or the first one. And then finally, the third one is for people who want to whiten their skin up to 2 to 3 shades. You can go for the pink one. So for me, I'll say this product is a very good one. It's scented, it has fragrance, so all of them have fragrance. Whether you like fragrance or not, you just have to manage it. And they are very hydrating. That I must tell you, the product is highly hydrating. So if you're looking for a very hydrating cream, then you can go for it. And it has SPF 50, so that's also cool, because they know that they are whitening products, so they decide to use SPF. But I think it's pertinent that you also include your own SPF whilst using it. And then another thing is that you need to, use this with caution. Do a patch test first and see if it works for you before. If you don't see any visible reaction, then you can apply it on all your body. For this product, you can use it on both face and body, but I will always advise it's best you get a face cream. But again, if you want to still be on budget, you can use it on the face. Or if you're using it on the face, then you need a very strong sunscreen to protect your face, because it's a lightening body cream, right? Then the final thing with this product is that you just have to be careful while using it. Don't go into the sun all the time. If you must go into the sun, wear protective coverings, right, for this particular one. And if you notice it starts bleaching you too much, you don't like it, please stop, right? From what I have seen, I've not seen any bad reviews about this product, except the fact that it has fragrance and it's quite affordable. The product is not so expensive, it's quite affordable. Like I promised, this product is produced by Dabs Cosmetics, so they are not the owners of Simple Cosmetics. They are a brand on their own and they are known as Dabs Cosmetics. So guys, if you have used any of this product, please let us know in the comment section. How was it for you? Have you used it? Is it moisturizing? Does it claim to clear all the things it claims to clear, like the dark spots, whiten your skin, clear acne, wrinkles and all that? Please let us know in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, it's still your girl again, Chief. Bye for now.